Quad lock is the most convenient and secure smartphone mount for motorcycles. The quad lock handlebar mount's sleek design gives you the flexibility to position your smartphone in a convenient and visible location. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your smartphone in seconds. The quad lock handlebar mounts are super strong and will hold your smartphone securely over the roughest terrain. Quad lock is perfect for navigating your ride and keeping your smartphone accessible while on the go. Quad lock offers mount variations for most handlebar sizes and styles. The standard handlebar mount, the Handlebar Mount Pro, the Handlebar Mount Pro Large, the Handlebar Mount Pro Chrome, and the Handlebar Mount Pro Chrome Large. The standard handlebar mount is made from tough glass-filled nylon and is suitable for handlebars with a diameter of 7/8 inches and 1 3/8 inches. The Handlebar Mount Pro, assembled with a black lever, is made from anodized CNC machined aluminum. The Handlebar Pro Chrome has a chrome-plated aluminum clamp and arm, made by Precision CNC and assembled with a black lever and hardware. Both mounts are suitable for handlebars with a diameter of 7/8 inches, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, and 1 3/8 inches. The Handlebar Mount Pro Large and Chrome variation fit bars with a diameter of 1 1/2 inches, 1 3/4 inches, and 2 inches. All Pro mounts feature a discrete cable route for USB charge cables. Further protect your smartphone while riding with the optional quad lock vibration dampener. Upgrade your motorcycle mount with one of our 2 charging options: the quad lock weatherproof wireless charging head or the integrated quad lock USB charger. Both chargers are IP66 water resistant and come with everything needed for a simple installation with all quad lock motorcycle mounts. Our optional slip-on cover called the Poncho provides extra protection from the elements, on the road and on the trails. Keep your phone safe with Quad Lock's impact-resistant edge-to-edge cover and protective lining. With millions of users worldwide and thousands of 5-star reviews, Quad Lock is the world's best solution. Quad Lock, every day, every adventure.